status sila yung mga injured players, Aaron, Raymond?
Parang may bug ngayon na umiikot eh. Last week ako rin nag-absent ako one day and then si Coach Leonard masama yung ano niya. So, he was vomiting up and down sa kahapon. He's better naman now. So, hopefully, he'll get better. No? But talagang hindi siya pwede today. And then, si Doom, yung tapinok niya, we just thought to ourselves na baka better wag mo na gamitin dahil next week, sunod-sunod yung laro, may out of town kami. It's just a smart thing to do na to force him. Diba? Kung finals yan or semis and it's a knockout game, he'll play. But at this point in time, as a staff, pinag-usapan namin, I spoke to better na hindi. Raymond should be back soon. He had muscle spasms. Elaine had a groin. Medyo may mga may edad na, diba? So, ano kami, hard kami sa practice. Coach Ned also instills that kailangan next man up lang. So, you know, we have guys. Si CJ, I'm happy CJ is helping out. I remember Bong when he was younger, he was a guy coming in. Ngayon naman siya yung bata. So, they were moving the ball. You know, Bong got his threes. Ngayon naman si CJ sa ulit.
But Aaron, the same injury sa last season?
I forgot about Aaron. May meniscus siya. We had him check sa doctor, MRI, and he has to have a surgery. So, he'll be out 1 month. So, that's a big blow sa amin. We don't have si Aaron, si Lou for a while, but hopefully next week he'll be back. Toto and Raymond should be back next week. So, sanay naman, but you know, happy with the other guys. Si Kyle, binibigyan ng opportunity, si Brandon at si Marvin.